Dion, it's Houston Police. Let's do this thing.
On the morning of September 20th, 2021, officers from the Serious Crime Investigation Team of the Houston Police Department conducted a raid at an apartment on Europark Road near Intercontinental Airport to arrest 30-year-old Dion Led, who was wanted for charges related to drugs and illegal weapons. The following are the details of the incident. Upon arriving at the scene, officers William Jeffrey and Sergeant Michael Van knocked on the door of Dion Led's residence amid an atmosphere of tension and silence. The door slowly opened, and a woman appeared. The officers immediately instructed her to step outside and called for Dion Led to come out. The woman stood silently, not saying a word. The flashlight illuminated the dark apartment. They repeatedly called for Dion to come outside, but there was no response. Suddenly, the sound of gunfire erupted. A bullet from inside the house struck the officers standing near the door. William Jeffrey and Michael Van collapsed immediately, creating a dramatic scene reminiscent of an action movie. Officer Jeffrey, standing outside the door, collapsed immediately after the gunshot rang out. Sergeant Van, who was behind Jeffrey, also fell but managed to crawl behind a car for cover. Sergeant Van shouted, urging others to find cover, as a warning to his team that he had been hit and the situation was extremely dangerous.
Dion, it's Houston Police. Let's do this thing.
God! Oh, shit! Oh, fuck me! No, I'm hit. I'm hit. What did I do? What did I do? Oh, fuck. Fuck.
Ma'am.
Yeah, step out here. Okay. Dion, step on out here. You gotta take care of some warrants.
Can you see him?
Just come right now.
Where is he?
B?
Where is he?
No, I do not see him. Dion, you need to step out of Houston Police. Dion.
There's a door behind the door.
You look back there.
Yeah.
Dion, it's Houston Police. You need to step out here.
There are guns in the house.
Yeah.
Shit.
Dion, it's Houston Police. Let's do this thing. Dion, it's Houston Police. Let's do this thing. Whoa.
The officers reacted immediately. Gunfire echoed all around, thick with smoke. They returned fire while maneuvering to find cover behind old walls, carefully calculating each movement in the tense, life or death moments. Every breath and motion was meticulously planned, with survival hanging by a thread. The officers remained in a defensive stance, trying to protect their wounded colleagues. They moved quickly, searching for cover near the suspect's location. Each step was taken with extreme caution. Even the slightest mistake could mean facing grave danger.
Sarge, you good? You good?
No, I'm hit. I'm hit.
Let's go get Bill! Somebody get Bill!
Hey.
From camera number 4, we can see that as soon as the police arrived at the scene, they were immediately met with a relentless barrage of gunfire. The deafening shots reverberated, shaking the entire area.
Get an ambulance! Get an ambulance! Fuck! You good, Sergeant? Yeah.
As the officer ran to the car near the house, he was shocked to find 2 of his teammates lying in pools of blood. One had collapsed right at the doorway, while the other, severely wounded, was hiding behind a nearby car. The heartbreaking scene left everyone deeply shaken.
Hey, we need to get Bill out! We need to get Bill out of there! We need to get Bill out!
Dion continued firing relentlessly, making it impossible to provide aid to Officer Jeff, whose rescue became hopeless. The officers had no choice but to quickly pinpoint Dion's location, determined to neutralize him before any more of their team could be injured. Thanks to their swift response, one officer accurately locked onto Dion's position and fired a rapid succession of bullets before he could react. Dion was hit multiple times, his body riddled with bullet holes, and he collapsed near the balcony. The scene unfolded so quickly and intensely, it felt like being in the middle of a high-stakes action movie.
He's down, but I can't see him.
In the end, Dion was eliminated. By the time the officers reached him, his body was cold, bringing a sigh of relief to everyone present. The police immediately provided emergency aid to Jeffrey and rushed him to the hospital, but he did not survive. Sergeant Van, also taken to the hospital in critical condition, fortunately stabilized and was discharged the next day. The entire city was engulfed in grief, mourning the brave officer who had fallen in the line of duty. Jeffrey's neighbors and colleagues were deeply saddened, as he had dedicated over half his life to the police force. This was likely to be his final mission before retirement, but no one could have predicted it would be their last time seeing this courageous man.